Hi, my name is Jeff McPherson, and I'm one of the programmers here at OnStage. And I want to talk a little bit about how audience access works with your existing environments, whether it be your website or CRMs or your ticketing system. And then I also want to talk a little bit about how it's different than like a page turn or a program book that you put on your website. So let's talk about the first thing, which is how does it integrate with your environment? So audience access is not a replacement or an enhancement for your ticketing system or your website. It works in conjunction with those things. So by putting in a tracking code inside of audience access, the same one that you would use on your website or your ticketing system, you can see the traffic between the two environments. So if somebody visits the audience access and they visit a ticketing spot on your website, you'll see that, and vice versa. So if you send out an email saying, hey, here's tonight's program book, you'll see that activity right inside of your existing systems, which are super, super nice. Secondly, let's talk a little bit about what the difference between a page turn is, or maybe a page set up on your website that is mobilized, but not quite a program book. Well, with audience access, we've really refined our 20 years of experience dealing with performing arts organizations across the country to really refine it so it's fun for the patrons. So bio sections and Twitter handles and videos and sponsors and all those things are really fun for your patrons to experience, where what we find is page turns are just a print product in a flip format and doesn't engage in a way that a patron would expect. Secondly, last minute changes. Many times, if you post a nice digital program on your website, but you have that last minute change that needs to be done to a sponsor or to a donor list, it's harder to make those changes because more people are going to be involved with those changes. With audience access, you just log on and you make the change. Also, we have different themes built right inside of audience access. So maybe your website looks like one thing, and that might be great, but maybe it's an outdoor event or a festival or something else or gala that's going on, and you want to change out to a dark mode or a light mode or an outdoor mode. You can do that with one tap on the audience access, and it happens instantly through all your events. So that's super, super nice. I hope this kind of helps with you understanding of how it works with your existing system and how it can really enhance your current environments. Thanks.